Guys, this sun is not letting me prosper. I'm trying to shoot this intro for a while, but anyways, welcome back, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a house. We're going to see an apartment, and I just thought, let me shoot it for you guys to see. It's such a beautiful apartment. The apartments are called Real Stars Apartments, and the price for the 2-bedroom apartment is so affordable. They're going for 35,000. So I hope you get to enjoy the video. So this is the living room. Oh my god, isn't it so spacious? I love it. And the colors are just perfect, right? This is the area where you can wash your hands or whatever. Cool feature about this house is this. So they created like a bench. So every house actually has this installed. It comes with the house at no extra cost. And it's actually a storage cabinet. How cool is that? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually has 4 compartments, which is totally awesome. So this is how the sitting room looks like. I love it. It's so big and spacious. Come with me. Let's go to the other room. This is the kitchen. So once you leave the living room, you come into the kitchen. It's a bit dark. There's no light here, so I hope you'll be able to see me. So yeah, this is the kitchen. It's also pretty big. I love it. They have a nice space here for a fridge. You can store a fridge here or here, or actually here, yes. Here, this is perfect. And a very nice big laundry area. Ta-da! And I like how private it is, you know. Then another lovely feature about this house is the long corridor. So let me show you how long it is. One thing I love about this house is the corridor. The stretch is extremely long, so it's a very family-friendly house for people with kids. You can, even place their toys here. It can be a play area. There's so much you can do with this stretch, and you feel like they have their own space and they're not interfering with your spaces. So yeah, let me continue showing you the house. Okay, so let me show you the bathrooms. I love this big mirror. It definitely makes this room look a little bit bigger than it is, but it is spacious. And the bathroom and a shower. I really love how they have partitioned the shower with this glass, with this glass. It's a really lovely bathroom, and I love the spacing. It makes you, it looks really big. Like, here's the toilet, here's the bathroom, and here's the sink. There's so much space. Okay, the space doesn't feel cramped at all. So yeah, let's move on to the next room. So I'll be showing you the first room. This house has 2 bedrooms, one master and suite, and a single room. the different colors in each room. The designer of the house, actually the owner of the house, really loves bright colors. They wanted each room to have, you know, its own different look and feel. So this is blue. It can be a boys' room. It can be, you know, the children's room. It's a playful, such a playful color. It can be just a room free for anything. And again, and to our amazing main feature of the house is this cool bench here. And this one has 3 partitions, so you have amazing storage over there. You have extra storage, and you know, you have your, of course, the closet space, which is amazing. It is so big. And I know you must be wondering, where's the mirror, right? This is the mirror hidden inside there. So yeah, I love the space. It has, you know, as I'm sure I can't reach there, but it has more space up there, like a lot of storage space. And come with me. Here we have another, you know, surface board that you can put anything. If it's a doll room, your makeup, or whatever, just extra storage for you. Now let's go to the main room. Oh my god, guys, you will definitely love this. It is red, one of my favorite colors. I love it. It's so spacious, and it has a walk-in closet, guys. Ta-da! Walk-in closet. So for his and hers, or for hers, then we know that he's, you know, yeah. Then to our main feature, extra space in here. Oh my god. So maybe a few of his can be there, right? No. We have to share.